Dear friends, welcome back to NT Academy YouTube channel. And we are going to continue with the business statistics series. As you all are aware that we have discussed many topics in the business statistics. So our new topic for today is the variance and standard deviation. So we'll discuss about these two things in today's lecture. So first of all, let me put forward the formula for you. The formula for variance is that is sigma square, you can see, is equals to summation of x minus x bar the whole square upon n. And the formula for standard deviation is that is nothing but the sigma only, that is the square root of summation of x minus x bar the whole square upon n. So these two are the formula for the variance and the standard deviation. So we'll take two problems and we'll solve that how we can achieve the find the value of variance and the standard deviation. So let's start with the problem. I hope you have understood about the formula. So we will take two problems. So the first is to find we have been given with the data of about the selling price of apples in different months in Mumbai. So let's say, for example, this one column is about the month, and this is the individual data sets. We have to understand that, remember that. And this is about the selling price, that is the selling price of apple. And we have to find the variance and the standard deviation with the data. This September, October, November, December, January and Feb. So in the month of September we had a selling price at 60, and then October we had 50, 35, 45, 35 in November, 45 in December, and then we have 48, we have the 48 January, and 55 that is for the month of February, and also we have for March also we can include. That's for March, input that is the 64. So first of all, as you all are aware that what we have to do, understand that the formula for variance is what? The formula for variance is that is sigma is equals to summation of x minus x bar upon n. So first of all, we have to find the value of x bar, that is your mean. So first of all, you need to, before that, you need to find the summation of x. So find the summation of x. When you calculate, that is 0, 0, 5, 10, 18, 23 and 4, that is the 7. So here you put the 7, 27, 2 you take as a carry. So 2 carry, 6, 5, 11, 14, 18, 22, 27, 33 and 2, 35. The summation is 35. So 357 is the thing. So you can find the x bar, that is the summation of x upon n. So how much is that? 357 divided by 7. So the value of x bar comes about, you can calculate with that is the 51. So 51 is the value of x bar. Now we have the x bar, which is your x. You have to find the x minus x bar. and also you have to take the square of that. So you understand this. So 60 minus 51, that is 9, and 50 minus 51, that is minus 1. So 35 minus 51, that is 16, and 45 minus 51, that is 6, minus 6, minus here sign, minus 6, minus 16. 48 minus 51 is minus 3. 55 minus is 4, and 64 minus 51 is about 13. About 13. Now you have to take the square of this. So take the square of this. So 9, that is 81. You know that square of any negative number is what? Positive. So 1, 256, that is 36, that is 9, 16, and 169. Exactly. Okay, fine. So now you have to add them. So summation of x minus x bar the whole square, that roughly comes about, the summation of that, if you can calculate that, is roughly, you can just calculate the value, just let us sum it out. This is a 1 unit place. So 1, 1, 2 and 6, that is the 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 plus 16. 23 plus 16 is 23 plus 6 is 29, and 9 plus 29 plus 9 is 38. So 8 you put here and 3 carry. So 11 plus 5 16, and plus 3 19, 20 and 26, and you 2 carry again. 2 plus 4 and 1, that is 5. So your whole value is 568. Your whole value is 568, you can understand. Now just simply what you have to do, that is, you can just calculate the value of variance, submit in that formula, that is variance. The variance is, 568 divided by 7. The whole value comes about to be 81.18. You can just calculate on the mobile phone. Now, with the help of this, you can calculate the standard deviation. The standard deviation, that is nothing but sigma value, that is square root of the same thing. The phi, you know that the formula is this: x minus x bar the whole square summation on n. So the same value which you just kept here, so take it 81.18. So that is nothing but 9 point, that comes about roughly about the whole value. You can just calculate, it's something about 9 point something. Just calculate the exact value. It comes about 9 point, I think 9 point something, that comes about. So it comes about square root of 81.18, and the value finally you will get is 9.01. So that's how we get the answer of the variance and also of the standard deviation. So now we can take another problem. Second problem. Friends, as we have just seen the first problem, so now we will be solving the second problem, that is based on the earning per share. So we have been given 8 shares from the A to H, and their corresponding earnings are listed over here. So we'll apply the same technique as we did in the first problem. So now first of all you find out about the summation, that is summation of x. If you just calculate this thing, it just comes about to be 104. So you get the value as 104. Now you just have to find out about the mean. So find the mean on that, summation of x upon the n. So value of n is how much over here? the value of n is over here is 8. That is 104 divided by 8 is just 13. Is how much? 13. Now just apply the same thing. X minus x bar. So you take 18 minus 13, that is 5. 11 minus 13 is minus 2. 16 minus 13 is 3. 9 minus 13 is minus 4. 15 minus 13 is 2. 13 minus 13 is 0. 14 minus 13 is 1. And 8 minus 13 is minus 5. So x minus x bar is that. 25, 4, 9, 16, 4, 0, 1, 25. So you have to take a summation of also the x minus x bar, the whole square. So now this comes about roughly about the whole value. You have to understand. Just sum it up. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, plus 4, 28, plus 1, 29, plus 5, that is 34. So 3 carry you take, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So just get the 8 value, 84. So summation is how much? 84. Now we know that the formula for variance is what? The formula for variance, that is sigma square, is given by what? X summation of x minus x bar the whole square upon the n. Now we get 84 divided by 8. So that value comes about is about 12.39. So we can just calculate this value. Okay. The variance value is 12.39. Now same thing we can what calculate. We can just calculate the standard deviation. That is the sigma. So we know that that is the square root of x minus x bar whole square upon n. So we know that that is 12.39. So square root. So we get the value is 3.52. So 3.52 is the value. Fine. So this is all the second problem. So with this we just finished this topic. This is all about the individual series. This is about the individual series, and the next lecture we can see about the discrete and the continuous. So thanks for watching our video, and thank you. Do like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share among your friend circle to WhatsApp, Facebook, and social media. Thank you once again for watching. Thank you.